Hi, in today's yoga practice, we'll look into a simple set of sequence that will help you to improve your reproductive health by strengthening the pelvic floor muscles and the organs around the pelvic floor muscles. Before we move on with the practice, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press that bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Let's begin. Let's begin by sitting on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together. Sit straight and slowly start flapping your knees up and down, Titli-asana or the butterfly. You might feel some little bit of tension in your groin region. That's very natural. Keep breathing. Now squeeze your arms with your legs and let go. Once again, flap, up, down, up, down. Now once again, squeeze your arms, squeeze your arms, squeeze your arms and let go. One last time, squeeze your arms, squeeze your arms, squeeze your arms and let go. And relax. Now keep one leg bent, lift your other leg up, lift your leg up, wrap your arms around the leg, bring the leg close to your body, foot up and slowly start swaying your leg left and right. And relax, let go the other leg. Keep smiling, keep breathing. And let go. Now, spread open the legs wider. 90 degrees angle at the hip joint. Interlock your fingers. Exhale, push your hips forward and slowly start making big circles. Make sure you're not bending the elbows and the movement is coming from your hip joint. Feel your pelvic region nicely getting massaged. And reverse. And come back to the center, relax. Now bend one leg, right? Bend your left knee and let your left heel come towards your close to your right hip joint. Now cross your right leg over to the left side and see, as much as possible both the knees are on top of each other, and you may move the left leg foot a little outwards. You might feel a little bit of squeezing in your groin region. That's very normal, right? Now whichever leg is on top, you take the same hand up and bend at the elbow, take it behind you, and your left hand goes from behind and you can interlock your fingers like you're hooking them from behind. If you're not able to hook them, it's okay, it's absolutely fine. Do as much as you can. And look straight. Stay here, keep breathing. And slowly let go of your hands and relax. Now change the leg. Make sure do as much as your body allows you to do and be comfortable in this pose. That's very important. Right? Now take your left hand up and take it behind you, and right hand comes from behind you and interlock the fingers. Sit straight. Stay here, keep breathing. And slowly let go, relax. Straighten your legs out. Now gently come on your knees and sit on your heels. Stretch your hands forward into the child's pose and let your forehead come on the mat. Make sure your hips are not lifting up as much as possible. Keep them down on the heels. Now from here, come up and lie down on your tummy. Now make a fist with both your hands. You can keep your thumb in between your palms and make a fist and tuck them under your groin. Bring the legs together. Chin on the floor or on the mat. Now inhale, lift both your legs up. Exhale, stay here, keep breathing. Now don't lift the legs too high, just keep them 1 foot above the mat and knees straight. Lift your thighs also off the mat. And slowly bring the leg down. Take your hands out. And roll over to your back. Now let's do the boat pose. Breathe in, take your hands over the head and breathe out. Bring your hands forward, lift your whole body up, resting on your buttock. Make sure you're not coming up too high. Focus on your abdominal region, feel them becoming stronger. And slowly come down, relax. Now bend both your knees. Distance between your feet, hip width distance. Your middle finger just touching your heel, toes facing to the front. Bring the chin down a little bit. Inhale, slowly lift your hips up into the Setu Bandhasan, the bridge pose. Exhale, stay here. Feel your glutes, your inner thighs becoming strong. Keep holding, keep holding. Make a gentle effort to move your knees towards each other. And slowly exhale, come down. Stay here. Now, if you have a yoga block with you or a small ball, you can pick it. And place the medium length in between your thighs. Now hold the block with your inner thighs. Now gently squeeze the block, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. As you're squeezing, feel your inner thighs, your groin, everything contracting and becoming stronger. And relax, let go. Once again squeeze, push your lower back down onto the floor, hold the block tight. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Keep breathing, do not hold the breath. And let go. Once again squeeze. Push your lower back down onto the mat. Keep breathing and let go. We'll do this totally 5 times. One more time. And let go. One last time. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And let go. Relax. You may keep the blocks to the side. Stretch your hands to the side, bring the legs closer to each other and wrap your right leg around your left leg. And gently from here, breathe in and breathe out. Drop both your legs to the left side and turn and look towards your right palm. Stay here, keep breathing. And inhale, come back up. Exhale to the other side. Breathe in, come back to the center. Bring your right leg down. Now change the leg. The left leg crosses over the right leg. Breathe in and breathe out. Draw both your legs to the right side. Look towards your left palm. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale to the other side. Keep breathing. And inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, relax your legs. Now lift your legs up. Wrap your arms around your legs. Interlock your fingers. Pull the thighs into your abdomen. Exhale, lift your head up. Stay here, keep breathing. And relax your head down. Gently bring your legs down. And straighten your legs out. Relax for a while. And slowly roll over to your right side. Keep lying here for a while. And sit up. Keep your eyes closed for a while. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. With a smile, you may open your eyes. Make sure to practice this sequence at least twice or thrice in a week. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like and drop a comment on how you felt about the practice, and do share it with your friends. And check out this channel for various topics that will help you to design a practice, a yoga practice personalized for yourself.